Hi kids, welcome back. In this video, in this session, we are going to do plus 2's formula. Why will I do plus 2 formula? Because you will get stuck in plus 2. And when you will get stuck, you will forget that what was I supposed to do. So I am here to tell you, okay? When I am not able to add 2 in my beats, I don't have enough beats to add 2. I apply 2's formula. What formula do I apply? The formula is add God less friend. What is God? 5. What is friend? 3. So, for example, I have 3 with me. I have to add a 2. I have to add a 2. I don't have beats, right? What did I tell you? Whenever I will get stuck like this, I'm stuck here to add 2. What will I do? Formula of 2. That is add God less friend. Look again. Formula of 2. Add 5 less 3. Okay. Sorry. Formula of 2. Okay. Add 5 less 3. See, God is same for every number. It's 5. You just have to remember the friend, right? And the friend, I told you the trick. Okay. So, for example, I have 4 with me. I have to add a 2 now. Again, I am stuck. How we did the previous one? Add 5 less 3. God is 5. Friend is 3. Okay. Got it? Let's do a bigger question. Do with me. Add 2. Again add 2. Less 3. Add 2. Again add 2. Ma'am, I am stuck. Okay, I am also stuck. See, what will I do? Add 5 less 3. Formula of 2. Got it? Okay. Now, if you have any doubts, drop in the comment section. I'll reply to it. Okay? See you in the next session. Stay connected. Bye bye.